And the biggest problem, Louise, is that unfortunately some of the systems in government takes a long time. That's one of our biggest challenges, because you advertise, then you have your shortlisting, then you have your interviews, um, then you have to do all the paperwork, and it could be that you find no one because we appoint the best person for the job. For example, the dairy scientist at Outeniqua Research Farm, we've advertised 3 times, and we are interviewing in the next 3 weeks for the third time. And why are we pedantic? Are we fussy? Why are we taking so long? Because we need the right person for that job. If you put down that person at Outeniqua Farm, that person is running solo. It must be a well-versed person in dairy science. That person must be able to give advice to the country's best dairy farmers. So you need to select the best for specific positions, and that often takes a long time. So when that person walks into that post, that person should be able to run immediately. That takes ages, and yeah, so it's a tedious process. So lots of hurdles in that position, but I must say the last 5 years, in all 3 of the programs under my supervision, we've appointed really great people.
Sure.
People
Good
that
to know.
people who moved in and moved with speed.